Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, John R. De La Cruz. So ito yung coach natin, yan. So today is Saturday, July 20, 2024, 10:35 AM na. So right now it's in the 80s, 80 degrees Fahrenheit po. So we're back at Flickinger Park after 3 weeks. Yan ang forma natin ulit. Wala pa tayong bagong sapatos eh. Ayokong gamitin yung mga bago ko na mga mamahalin. So it's been a while. Mga 3 weeks hindi tayo nakapunta rito. Hindi tayo nakapaglaro. So there you go. Quick vlog. Andito yung mga tropa oh. So ito. May na-post na tayo. Kaway na kayo ha. There you go. So it's almost noon time, but look, there's still people playing. So tapos na yung mga tropa natin. What's up, bro? Hey, wanna say hi to my channel? Yeah. Dito yung mga tropang ano. Kaway na kayo po. Hindi pa rin kayo kumakaway sa channel ko eh.
Yo, what's good?
What's
up, YouTube?
What's up, bro?
It's your boy Nick. We out here. We out here at Flickinger, bro.
Laguna ka, di ba? Laguna. Laguna boy, right here.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, Asia?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Ano na pare? Kaway ka pare, kaway. YouTube, yeah. So, ayan. May mga naglalaro pa. So, makikilaro tayo. It's been 3 weeks ako hindi nakapagpunta, man. Yeah, 3 weeks tayo hindi nakapunta. So, there you go. Currently, 937 subscribers na tayo. Almost 68,000 views. So let's go for 1,000. There you go. I heard I'm gonna get paid if I hit 1,000 subscribers in 40,000 views. The views, I'm already good. So lumaki tiyan natin ulit oh. So kailangan natin ano. Hey, Barangay Ginebra. There you go. We got brand new players. Sorry. We got Stephen Holt. We got pare si Jai, yung pamangkin ni Barrientos, point guard na ng Ginebra, pre.
We got Nickelodeon from ABC.
Yeah. Sige. Shooting muna tayo kasi pauwi na to mga to. Mamaya anong oras kayo dito? Alas 5?
Mga 10.
Sige. Wala na yung mga ibang Pinoy. Sige. Alright guys, from Flickinger Park, San Jose, California to Manila, Philippines. Here's your homeboy, John R. De La Cruz. Love you guys. On a Saturday. Saturday, July 20, 2024. Almost 11 a.m. In the 80s, right here. Cali. Warriors. We got these Warriors. Si Bronny James, gumagaling na rin. But August 18, brand new season. 49th season for the PBA. Watch out for Barangay Ginebra. Love you guys. NSD. Peace.